Hey, I'm Liz from The Verge. I've been a vegetarian for 20 years, but today I'm going to eat pork. So we're here at CES in Las Vegas, where Impossible Foods is introducing two new kinds of meat. One is sausage and one is pork. So for most of human history, meat has been associated with wealth and really desirable. But lately, people have been really concerned about, the effects that meat has on human health and the environment. So Impossible Foods thinks it has a perfect alternative. Like, this is supposed to taste like meat, but it's made out of plants. So this looks like a little like ground meat. It's pink, and the texture kind of looks like maybe like a chunkier hamburger. One of the things that I noticed while eating it is that it's pretty juicy, and you can sort of see some of the oils in the pan. It's definitely sizzling. So it definitely changed color, and the browning seems to be replicating meat. Like, you can definitely see the areas where it's like gotten a little bit more cooked in the same way that you might like with a barbecue or something. So we're gonna do some investigative journalism now. I'm gonna take the meat out of this sandwich. Okay, so this comes apart pretty easily. It's like not as tough as meat usually is. And I'm just gonna eat it straight because why not? It's fine. So it tastes like salty. There's almost like a kind of like nutty flavor to it. It's not like one of those things where you have to be like, rawr, you chew a little bit and then it comes apart. I can't really tell you if this tastes like pork because I haven't had pork in 20 years, and to be honest, I don't really remember what it tastes like. So I'm gonna tap in somebody who does. Yeah. Seems legit. But this isn't really about me or vegetarianism. This is food science. It takes a lot of work to make something like this, not just to make it taste right, but also to make the nutrition right. But one of the things that's maybe worth keeping in mind is that pork is one of the most eaten meats in the world, and it's especially important in the Asian markets. Like China, for instance, has had a booming pork industry. So it's possible that this is a brand new market that opens up for Impossible. Impossible Foods is also introducing the Impossible sausage, which I didn't get a chance to try tonight, but that's going to be available as part of the breakfast menu at certain kinds of Burger Kings around the country, so keep an eye out for that. It's going to be part of their croissant sandwich, I guess? I don't know, I've never had it, but I hear it's good. All right, I'm going to start with the noodles. It feels safest. Sorry, everybody, my chopstick skills are not top-notch. All right, here we go.